very simple 2 minutes drawing here that we'll be trying on. You can just memorize this as we draw. You can take a screenshot and then continue. So in our front plane, I'll create my midpoint lines as usual, the horizontal and then the vertical one. This is not needed, so let's just delete this. Then we have 2 circles in the middle here, and that will be 150 and then 100 radius. So 150 and then 100 radius, diameter, sorry. To make things faster, let's use the dynamic mirror tool. We select this and then let's draw 2 circles over here. Let's draw a second one, and this as a distance of 120 from the center. A radius 40 and then diameter 45. So we use this as our radius 40 times 2. Then we have our diameter 45. We use a 3-point arc for this. Select this, and then this has a radius of 50 if I'm correct. Yeah, and then let's not forget to add our tangent relations. Add the first relation, and then add the second relation, and then we mirror this. So we select this, then you mirror it about the horizontal line, then we mirror this one too about our horizontal line. Let's go ahead and then trim these from there. Once you are done trimming, we are done with our drawing, and you can see it's fully defined. Zoom out, and then it's a very simple drawing that can be done in less than 1 minute. That will be all. Have a nice day.